In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Foxit Reader. If you've ever struggled with large PDF files that are difficult to email or upload, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to make your PDF files more manageable. Let's dive into the process. First, begin by opening the PDF file that you want to reduce in size within Foxit PDF Editor. Once you have your document displayed, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll find the File option. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you into a few different choices related to file management and editing, but for our purposes today, we're focused on optimizing our PDF's size. Scroll down the drop-down menu until you locate PDF Optimizer. This is a powerful tool that Foxit provides to tweak and reduce the overall size of your PDFs without compromising much of the quality. Go ahead and select that option. Now, under the PDF Optimizer menu, you'll see the choice for Reduce File Size. Select this to proceed to the next step. At this point, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where you'll be making important decisions about how your file's optimization is handled. Under PDF Version Compatibility, you'll see options that determine the compatibility of your PDF with different versions of PDF readers. While it might be tempting to experiment, I recommend choosing Retain Existing. This option ensures your PDF remains compatible with older and newer versions of PDF readers, minimizing any unforeseen issues for those who might open your file. Once you've confirmed your compatibility choice, click OK to proceed. What you'll do next is specify the file name and the location where you'd like to save your newly optimized PDF. Make sure to choose a name you'll easily recognize and pick a location that's convenient for you to access later. To finish this process, simply click Save. Foxit Reader will now apply the changes and reduce the file size of your PDF. This may take a moment, depending on the initial size of your document. When it's done, your smaller, optimized PDF file will be ready for sharing, uploading, or storing without taking up as much space as before. Remember, reducing the size of a PDF file doesn't mean you'll lose substantial quality. Foxit Reader does an excellent job maintaining the integrity of your document while making it more portable and easier to handle. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you manage and organize your PDF files more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.